Good day also, welcome back to our channel. So if you are looking forward to start your transportation business in Nigeria in 2026, this video is for you because we are going to be listing the top 8 cheap buses you can use for commercial transportation in Nigeria and earn a whole lot of money in 2026. So let's get started. We start with the first one, which is the Suzuki Every mini buses. This one is available in 3 plus and 4 plus. These buses comes with high fuel economy and low maintenance cost. The 3 plus right now pricing starts at 3.8 million naira and goes up to 4.6 million naira depending on the one you are buying. Then talking about the 4 plus, pricing starts at 4.8 million naira and goes up to 5.6 million naira depending on the one you are buying. Then we go to the number 2, which is the Hiace Hiace mini buses in Nigeria. This one is also available in 3 plus and 4 plus. So this one also, the fuel economy is top notch and the maintenance cost is quite very low, and it brings in more money. Like if you are using it for just normal time service, normal city driving, the Hiace Hiace minibus and the Suzuki is the best bet, and the pricing are still the same, 3.8 to 4.6 million naira depending on the one you are buying. Know that I have belt, we have chain and the rest. So we made a video on that. Check up here, there's a link there, you can follow it to go and check get to know more about these mini buses. And also coming to the 4 plus, the 4 plus the Hiace Hiace minibus starts at 4.8 million naira and goes up to 5.6 million naira. Then we move over to the next bus on the list, which is the Nissan Urvan or the Nissan Caravan. The Nissan Urvan or the Nissan Caravan is best bet when it comes to both interstate and intrastate, because this bus is quite long and the engine is powerful, and the fuel economy on these buses is top notch. The suspension and everything is top notch. Pricing for this one starts at 8 million naira and goes up to 8.5 million naira for the automatic versions. The manual starts at 9 million, goes up to 9.5 million naira depending on the condition of the bus. That's for Tokumbo. Then we move over to the also that the Mitsubishi L300 or the Delica. This one is available in short frame and the long frame. Diesel engine and petrol engine options are available, and pricing for this one starts at 7 million naira and goes up to 8.5 million naira. We know about the Mitsubishi Delica. This is one of the buses that was very rampant, especially when I was growing up. We used to get to know by the sound and the rest, but this bus, if you get a sound one, it still serves you real good. Then we talk about the Volkswagen T4 or the Volkswagen Transporter. The Volkswagen Transporter is also available in long frame and the short frame option, available in option of petrol and diesel, automatic and the manual. So there are different variations, and this one is also cool for public transportation. Pricing for this starts at 7.5 million naira and goes up to 10 million naira, 10.5. Then we push over to the king of the road, the Toyota Hiace. Without the Toyota Hiace, this review will never be complete. The Toyota Hiace is one bus that has been around for ages, and the bus they deliver. Since you're talking about the cheap versions, we advise you to start from at least 2010. For the 210 to 217 model, can get it between the range of 15 million and 22 million naira. But if you're on a very low budget, tight budget, you can check between the 23 to 2009 model. These ones you can get it at the range of 9 million to 14 million naira, depending on the seller and the actual condition. Then we talk about the first generation Toyota Sienna. We don't normally advise you to go for this one, because this one started in 1998 and ended in 2003. Still a good car for interstate, but at least if you are start from the second generation, definitely enjoy it. The first generation Toyota Sienna price starts at 7 million naira and goes up to 9 million naira. Then we wrap it up with the second generation Toyota Sienna. The second generation Toyota Sienna started in 2004 and ran to year 2010, and 2 engine options are available on this one, 3MZ engine and the 2GLF engine. So pricing for the second generation Toyota Sienna starts at 9 million naira and goes up to 11 million naira depending on the condition and the model year you are picking. So what do you think about these buses? And before you go to buy these buses, there are some things you need to consider. If you are using it for such short distance travel, we advise you to go for the mini buses, the Hiace and the Hiace mini buses. You can just reach out to us and we'll deliver. Then talking about long distance travel, you can start from the Nissan Urvan, Toyota Hiace, second generation Toyota Sienna. Then you talk about looking at your locality, get to know which bus are people using here, because if you go and get an alien bus and add, you might be struggling to get passengers, but if you blend in, it will be easier for you. And also with your budget, I believe you can start even small, then from there you can upgrade. So you can start with the mini bus, then later upgrade to the Urvan. From there you go higher. So what do you think about the cheap bus dropped? If you need these buses at an affordable rate, unbeatable prices you can get anywhere in Nigeria, do well to reach out to Alpha Luxury Wheels Limited on 081 07 99 2356 for claim buses at an affordable rate you cannot get anywhere. So what do you think about this list we drop? Drop your views in the comment. If you have been using this bus, which one do you think is the best bet for people that wants to go into transportation business? Let's hear your views in the comments. Thank you.